Hey guys, it's we're heading to a car show right now. Actually, we dropped off the Etzel in one of the go-karts at the show at like 7 o'clock in the morning. Came back home, got dressed for church, went to church, just got out of church. So now I'm dressed for the car show, so that's where we're heading. And I just want to say Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, and because this is the Father's Day car show. And also, it's a different car show. It's at a German club that's around our house. So we're going to go there and check out the cars, and I'm excited because it's going to be a bunch of new cars I haven't seen yet. Alright guys, so we're here at the car show. As you see, I brought the Etzel. So I want to bring you guys along and show you what they have.
Two hours of pushing the brakes, 8 to 12 forever.
That means by no means.
And I had mine too. They always.
Alright guys, there was the Father's Day car show at the German Club. I enjoyed all the cars. Hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I hope you enjoyed your cruise down the Lashman Road.